Jennifer Stuart here, aka Super Science Girl. I'm excited that you are thinking about having your little one join some of our fun hands-on science and creative art camps. I get a lot of different questions about these camps, so I thought I'd do a quick little video here to answer some of them for you, because they're probably some things that you might be thinking about too. So I offer the camps at the same location I hold a preschool during school breaks and summer break and sometimes on the weekends throughout the year. And a lot of people will ask, because I offer it for preschool age on up to through elementary school age kids, and they'll wonder, if my child's older, aren't they gonna find it annoying or weird or feel uncomfortable that there's lots of little kids there? And I absolutely not. Those older kids they get to be the leaders then, and they really enjoy that special role. Also, if we have a large range of ages, then when we do the projects, I will just split them up appropriately so every child can experience their project in different ways. The older kids really like to learn the how and the why and understand more about the science, whereas the little kids love it just as much, but they just like to see how it happens. They just want to experience it, and not, I still will teach them about what's going on, but their different interest level is going to be appropriate for their age. So the little kids also, sometimes people ask, well, won't my little one feel nervous if there's older kids around? And absolutely not. They look up to them. They find it really exciting, if anything. So having that mixed age group in the camps is actually a really fun dynamic for both the older kids and the younger kids. So at the camps, it's just lots of learning fun, along with some social time to get some extra energy out, keep those kids off the screens, right? Because there's so much of that when they're off a school break. It's like, what do you do with them all day? So send them on over here, and we will keep them entertained while they are learning and exploring and having so much fun. So at camps, we do just lots of creative art projects, usually tied into if there's a holiday around that time or to the topic we're learning about for science, and lots of hands-on science. So the kids always love slime and volcanoes. Those are like standbys. I throw those in almost every camp because kids do not get tired of that. But we've also done really cool things by building balloon-powered cars and make little roller coasters and all sorts of different things that you could imagine. Getting the DNA out of banana and strawberries and working with liquid density, just tons of different things, whether it's chemistry or biology or physics. So, and when it's nice out, they get to have a blast playing out in the yard. The older kids will do lots of different creative things out here, and the little ones as well. Everyone just gets to have a really great time together. I am a former biochemist, and I was a public school science teacher, so I love science and I love kids. And now I've been running this preschool for over 10 years, which just allows me to introduce science and make it fun for kids when they're little. So when they go off to school and there's all the testing and everything and all the stuff they have to memorize, that hopefully I've already gotten it into their heads that science is awesome and fun so that they can enjoy it. So anyway, go ahead and check out the dates that we have coming up. We keep the class sizes really small, so if you see a date that you want, definitely grab it. I never know when they're going to be full. Once it's filled up, that's it. So anyway, grab a date, and we hope to have you come on over and join us for some science and art fun. All right, have a great day. Thanks.